Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to create amazing color splash effect in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. First of all, open Photoshop and import the image. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer to see before and after. So here the image, and press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Go to HSL adjustments. Now decrease reds, greens, aquas, blues, purples, magentas. Now as you can see, this is that how quickly we add the color splash effect in our photo. Now for more adjustments, go to basic and make little bit adjustments. After that, press OK. Now this is the before, this is after, and this effect is looking great. Now try it on another one. Press Ctrl J and then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera. Go to HSL adjustments and decrease all values. Not decrease oranges because we want orange color. Go to basic for little bit adjustments. So this is how we created the amazing color splash effect in Photoshop. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.